Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Dr. K's Academy. I am Hasnain Ahmad Siddiqui and I have over 2 years of experience in data analysis and machine learning with Python. Today we are starting an exciting new series Python from beginning to advanced level. In this series you will learn Python basics and many libraries including pandas, numpy, matplotlib, scikit-learn, keras and tensorflow. We will also cover exploratory data analysis and data preprocessing with Python, and then we will start machine learning and deep learning in detail. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to confidently apply Python to real world problems. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, why Python? We use Python because it is easy to use and free. It comes with a wide range of powerful libraries, making it incredibly efficient for various tasks. Why do we use libraries? Libraries make Python even more versatile, enabling us to make and handle tasks like data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, and other tasks including app development, web development, cyber security, and process automation. There are a variety of notebooks available for the Python programming, but in this course we will use Google Colab for the programming. We use Google Colab because it is easy to use and it is integrated with Gemini and generative AI, which will assist you in debugging and even generating codes. For instance, you can simply upload your Excel file and it will help you to process your data. This is the Google Colab interface, and in the next video you will learn how to import your Excel file into the Google Colab interface and then how to use it in Python workspace. If you do have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.